हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ट्रेडिंग गाइड में। आज हम आपको बेसिक ऑफ कैंडल्स सिखाएंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि ट्रेडिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी में दो प्रकार के ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल होते हैं। एक होता है स्विंग ट्रेडिंग, एक होता है इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग। स्विंग ट्रेडर्स मेनली फंडामेंटल्स पे वर्क करते हैं। स्टॉक्स का क्या क्या बिहेवियर है, कब रिजल्ट्स है, क्या है, कैसा है। और दूसरा होता है इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स। इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स मेनली डील करते हैं टेक्निकल एनालिसिस पे। जब टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की बात आती है तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट आता है कैंडल्स। तो ये कैंडल्स होता क्या है? सो बेसिकली जापान this candles has been discovered by a Japanese. So basically this is a Japanese candlesticks. Japanese candlesticks consist of four parts. First is the opening price of the stocks, and then what first is opening price, then the closing price, the third is high, and the fourth is low. So let's see how all these four parts are in a candlestick. So let us consider this candlestick. So if you see here, the point which I am considering about, this is the this is the this point. This point is the open of the candle. So the price over here is 100. Suppose the price over here is 100, and then it has gone high up till 102. The price over here is 102, and in the it has gone low till 99. This price has 99, and at last it got close at 101. So what you saw, four parts. The candle has been open at 100, gone up till 102, close at 101, and gone below till 99. So this will be one candle. In candle there are four parts: open, close, high, and low. When the candle has started forming, it forms some lows, it will form some high, and at last it will close somewhere. So if you see, if a candle has been opened, has been closed above the close, if the candle has been closed above the open, it will be of green color. Like it has opened on 100, it has gone above till 101, gone above till 102, and closed at 101. So the price has, in this candle, the price has been increased. That implies that the price has gone up, so it will be of green color. Similarly, if you see over here, the price, suppose the price has opened here 101, it has gone low till 99, and it has gone above till 101, and at the last it has been closed at 99. So what you are saying, the close of the price is low than the open of the price. So that's why this particular candle is red in color. Red implies that the price has gone down, and the green implies the price has gone up. So I think this part has been clear to you. Going forward to see all this thing which I have told you in a chart. So I'm opening the terminal. I'm using Zerodha terminal for my trading. So if you see, if you see the candles, you can see many candles over here. This is the stock of, this is the charts of Escort stock. You see there are many candles here. Every candle is having every candle is, some candle are green, some candle are red. So if you see here, if you're using Zerodha as your trading terminal, then if you click on info, you and just scroll down on the candle, you will see all the you will see open. O means open, C means close, L means low, H means high. So if in this candle, open is 100 and 100 and 1147.2, close is 1145.5, high it has gone above open, uh, which is high till 1147.4, and it has gone low till 1145.5. So as we are seeing the uh, stock of Escort in the time frame of 1 minute, which what is this 1 minute? Means in every minute there will be one candle which will be forming like this one. This is a kind of 9:53, and then next candle will be of 9:54. So like this in Zerodha there are many, this is called time frame. There are many time frame: 1 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame, 3 minute, 30, 15 minutes, 30 minutes till 1 month. So in 1 minute time frame you are seeing many candles are over here. This There are many. Every candle is of 1 minute. The market used to open at around 9:15, and it used to close around 3:30. So there are many candles. And if I increase the time frame, suppose I have increased till 50, till 30. So if you see 21st, there are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For 15 minutes time frame, there are 13 candle. If you increase it to more in the 1 hour, there will be 6 candle for in a day. Likewise, if we go 1 day, so we go 1 day, then for 21st of August, there is only one candle. So if you see, like I'm concentrating on this 21st of August candle only. If you see, there are four things: open, close, high, and low. Open price is 1154.8, close, which is this. Close is 1127.8, which is which is lower than this. So this is specify that the price has been opened. So this is specify the price has been opened, opened around 1154, and at last it has been closed at 3:30. It has been closed at 1127.8. So the price has been decreased. It has not been increased. So that's why the candle is of red in color. The high, it has gone high till 1157.9, which is this one. The low is 1122.5, which is this. So that's why as the price has been decreased, so that's why the as the price has been decreased, that's why that's why it is red in color. Likewise, when the price used to increase, suppose we are concentrating on this candle, the price has been increased. It has This candle, it has opened around 1118.3. It has closed around 1153.3. So the low of this candle is this 1103.3. The high of this candle is 1160.3. So if you see, has the open price is above the this is the close price is above the open, so that's why it is in red. It is green in color. So this is if you want to go ahead in your trading career with a technical analysis, then first you have to learn the candlestick, which is the entry point of it. If you see over here in the display, there are many chart style: candle, there will be a bar, there will be a line, there will be hologram. So, but traders used to concentrate mainly on candles, which is this. So, you have to once you start your trading, you have to learn the what is the candle, what you have to be specific on this. You have to learn it throughout. So that's it for today. In the upcoming video, we will be telling you what all the candlestick chart patterns, what all what in the which time frame the intraday trader used to work on, and in which time frame the swing trader used to work on. So that will be in our future videos. Hope you like this video. So if you like the video, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you get the information about of our next videos. So thank you. Goodbye.